Welcome back to the shed. So we're going to have a little look at taking off the wiring loom today. So I've labelled up all the bits I've taken off so far. They're all here, indicators and whatever. So we're going to take the rest of it off and obviously take all the other ancillary equipment off that relates to it and go from there. It's interesting because a lot of people I speak to about this sort of thing, when I say, I can do a bit of a project, and you know, I've never stripped the bike down before. Just because I teach engineering doesn't mean that I should be able to know everything about the intricacies of the wiring of the bikes. But you've got to give it a go, haven't you? And that's the thing. You can say you don't know how to do it, or you wouldn't know where to start, but how do you know where to start unless you give it a go? So, you know, it's sort of one of them, isn't it? Either do it or let it just sit there and nothing else happens. So we're going to give it a go. We're going to crack on. Hope you enjoy the video. So now it's just a matter of undoing the last few bits. This is the starter switch and the front brake sensor. Obviously seen a better days, needs a clean up, but that's got to come off. Just be unhooked, but all works fine. No problem.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So there we go. That's pretty much the wiring loom out. And just remember to label things up as you go along, so you know, obviously when you come and put it back together, where everything goes. Looks worse than it is. It's pretty much a bit of a state. Needs a bit of work, but essentially it's all there. Everything works. Just need to tidy up.
The great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, thanks for tuning into the shed. This episode was just about removing the wiring loom and a couple of other little bits that I needed to take off and label up. I think I'm pretty much there now in terms of where I need to be to remove the engine. A couple little fiddly bits which obviously I'll put in the next video. I need to get the frame into the workshop, figure out what bits I need, what bits I don't need, what I can cut off, what I can't. Obviously got to measure up a seat as well for it and figure out how I'm going to fabricate that on. Long way from that just yet though, because obviously need to get the engine block out. So slowly but surely we're getting there. As I said, a really basic quick video just to say about removing the wiring loom, and obviously anything you do take off, just label up. Label it up, you know where it goes back. Keep all the parts neat and tidy, everything should be in order. Any bolts that come off with things, make sure you put them back in them. Just simple stuff really, but as I've said, I've not done a custom build before and I've not stripped down a bike before. Being an engineer means, you know, a mechanical engineer means you can machine things, design things, fabricate things. Obviously you can take things apart and repair, everything goes back together, but because I haven't done it before, I just want to be a bit methodical and logical in the way that I do it. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon. And if you do like the videos, obviously they're not all going to be of the XJ600. Some of them are going to be about engineering, some of them are going to be about discussion, and hopefully I can get some reviews. And when I can get out on the bike and obviously do some recording as well with that. But it doesn't take a second to hit subscribe. Give me a like, hit subscribe, that'd be brilliant. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Bye.